Today I'm going to be making a 3-tier tray for both Easter and spring. And I completely forgot to show you all how this looked before I spray painted it, but it's just some cheap cardboard. I've taken these little pots and also spray painted them white. I'm going to cut a strip of burlap to put around the little pots. Wrap your burlap around and stick it down with some hot glue. Now we're going to start decorating the tray, and I'm sticking the 2 little pots down with some hot glue. Next I'm taking some artificial plant and sticking that down. I'm going to cut it off around here. Then you want to take a sprinkle of soil and put them inside your little pots. I've got these artificial birds and I'm going to stick him right up here. Then I'm taking this grass bunny from Hobbycraft. Now we're going to get messy and decorate with some moss. I moved one of the birds from up here to down here, and that's just to give it a little bit more contrast and break up the greenery. And then I'm putting this, which was gifted to me, up here instead. And here we have the finished 3-tier tray. I really love the colours on this one. I really like the fact that the white and the green just really complement each other and the colours really pop. This is such a beautiful decor piece and I'm really happy with this one. If you have enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't joined our T&C family, then make sure you stay and hit the subscribe button. Let me know if you have enjoyed this DIY and if this is a style that you like and would go for. Thank you all so much for watching. Until the next DIY, bye.